In this video, we're gonna talk about stateful set. Stateful sets are used for applications that require a persistent storage and stable network identities. Unless a deployments which is stateless application which won't manage any state, it will process and it will complete the task. But in stateful set, it will within an namespace, if you can deploy any stateful set as similar to deployment, it will create a pod, and pod will have a persistent volume climb attached, and each persistent volume may have the persistent volume attached. So the whatever the operation is happening in the stateful set, it will in turn store the data in the persistent volume. uh, the key benefits, as I already mentioned, the each stable network identity, and each pod in the stateful set get unique stable DNS name. For example, if you deploy 3 replica, it will be creating a pod 0, pod 1, pod 2, like that. And main advantage I already mentioned, the stateful set can have its own persistent storage volume that is not shared with other pod. Each pod will be having a dedicated storage volume attached to the pod. And use case mainly on the databases, similar small database like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB, to run those kind of tasks. Majorly use the stateful set application. Even distributed system like a Kafka, Jupyter, and Elasticsearch are required to be stable network and identity for internal communication. Those kind of applications also used to deploy as a stateful set. Now we quickly move into the terminal, and I'll show you the one demo of the stateful set application. Here I'm just using Nginx image to deploy as a stateful set. Here currently I'm having a 3 replica set, and 1 GB data storage I'm creating for each pod. Let's create those things. kubectl apply hyphen f kubectl get pod. Yeah, for example, now the first pod created and second pod, all 3 pods are created quickly. And this is my previous deployment video training demo pod still running. If you see the difference, this pod created with a random DNS name, but in the stateful set we have the pods with the um, identical names, actually sequence number it is generated. If you have 3 pods are there, 0, 1, 2, the naming is taken automatically. The main already mentioned the stateful set, if you delete it and recreate the pod, it will be created in the same name, it won't come with any new name. And one more thing to show you, each pod will be having dedicated storage attached. If something happen or you want to scale down the stateful set, still the volumes will be persisted, it won't be deleted automatically. I'll just make replica set 2. Instead of 3, I'll make it 1 replica. I'll just apply the same compilation here. This see kubectl get demo. There is only one pod is running. We check the kubectl pvc, and still those volumes are still there. It won't delete automatically, we have to delete manually. And yeah, that's all. This hands-on demo manifest file is available in the repo, which I already mentioned. It is also added in the description. Please go ahead and try from your side. Please do comment if you have any feedback for me. Thank you. Have a nice day.